hurry.
What is that? Huh? What the?
Ow! You really are a jerk. Ow! What was that?
It remind me of May when she gets angry.
Right now, I sympathize with her.
Help me! Friggin' parasite!
This is going nowhere.
Yeah, you're right. The battery's fully charged. Don't go too far away, Amy. If I were to lose you, I think Sven would kill me.
Yeah, right.
Better believe it, Amy. Shouldn't have sniffed that junk.
I'm sick of these trees. I want to get back to civilization.
We can't be too far from campus.